and this is my Vlogmas, welcome, Swapmas, whatever you want to call it. And it's December, so I have quite a few advent boxes this year, and some of them are for later in the month, some of them are every other day, and I have one or two that are every day, so I've got a lot of choice. Excuse me, itchy nose. I've also got some glorious fabrics to share with you and what I'm going to make with them, and you'll see them progress into items over the Vlogmas period. So I'm going to actually just get cracking with this. I have my Swapmas box from Sam full of goodies. I have 12 items. Sequin Girly Sam has 12 items that I have sent her, or we swapped in person actually. And yeah, we're just gonna unveil them throughout the period. I guess I can open them any day that I choose. I was originally gonna do them from the 2nd and do them on even days or odd days, I can't remember. I'm just going to get started. This is parcel number 1, and I'm going in to see what delight I have in store. Oh, how cute is that? Handmade by Sequin Girly. That is lovely. A little card. Isn't that gorgeous? Dear Julie, I hope you enjoy Swapmas I created for you. Dear one can be a year-round hanging as it has a front and back. Wow, did I not think how many letters you have in your channel's name? From Sam. Okay, that gives a little bit of a clue. Oh, that is joyous. Look at this. Oh, I love it so much. No, look at all of those little hand stitched. Oh, that's beautiful. That is very Christmassy. Lovely fabrics Sam has patched together there. And look at this. Ta-da! I mean, is that not just beautiful? I love that. I love that. It's quilted, it's gorgeous. It's just for me, because who else is Julie sews her own clothes? And now I know what you mean by that's a lot of hand sewing, a lot of letters to cut out, because yeah, my name is quite long, but that is beautiful. Thank you, Sam. I could not have envisioned a better start to Vlogmas than opening that little beauty. Delightful, absolutely delightful. Love it to pieces. That is going somewhere that I can look at it every day. That's Vlogmas kicked off well and truly. What else? Where's my other Vlogmas? They're right here. I have the Jazz and Wow. A gift every day to open in this one. Now what I have done is I've put them in order because I hear all that paper rattling noise. So number 1 I put on the top, and I'm just going to quickly open it and make as little noise as possible. I know I listen to YouTube videos with my headset on. It's so annoying when there's lots of paper rustling. But look at them. How gorgeous are they? Becky, they are beautiful buttons to kickstart Vlogmas Advent calendar unboxing. Love them so much. They're beautiful, gorgeous colours, exciting. They actually go really well with the colours of my mat that Sam made me. Oh, I just love that. I'm going to be looking at that all the time. I then have another box, and this is the L'Etiquette Home Couture. I got this from Fabric Obsession. They are selling the L'Etiquette labels, and when I bought a few of them, so when the advent calendar come up, I thought, yeah, let's do that. So I'm going in for calendar number 1, and it is a little handmade, that's it. It's the one of those that you kind of can sew down on both sides and use it to hook things up. That's so cute. So that is my unboxing of my first label, and then the rest actually has to wait. So I have Adam's saws, and Adam has set his up to start on Vlogmas Day 2, so I do not want to open them out of sync with everybody else and kind of be a spoiler, so I'm going to keep that one for tomorrow. And then the pink door starts on the 13th, so it's every day at the second half of the month, so that one will wait until then. But I am like really excited about Vlogmas this year. Really excited. I'm going to try and vlog every day, certainly every other day if I can, and we'll see how we get on. Not a bad start though, because I've started and I'm not even here. This is pre-recorded whilst before I go away. So I have fabrics I definitely want to share with you. I got this from Fabric Obsession. It's just the most beautiful pre-quilted fabric. Look at the colours on that, and the thickness of this is just so lovely and fine. I think that, and actually soft. If you look at the wadding, it's super, super soft. So I think this is going to make a beautiful jacket. What can I say? I want more. I've only made 2 quilted jackets in the last month. I want another one. I just think it's beautiful, and the reverse side of it is equally as beautiful. I don't know which one will be the main fabric, or if I'll make every effort to make sure it's a reversible. There you have it. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Cannot wait to sew something with that. And then, oh, okay, I'll show you this first. This is a really gorgeous fibre mood denim. I did get this from Fabric, actually they're all Fabric Obsession, they're all of them. So this is fabric number 2. I used their, I purchased the Camouflage denim. It was a fibre mood denim. I purchased it from Fabric Obsession and made the Blanca flight suit, and honestly that fabric was such, that denim was such good quality to work with. Lovely stretch on it. When I saw this in the kind of Marley grey, I just thought, come on, let's do some of that as well. It's got a nice little stretch to it. Look at that. So plenty movement in it. I'm gonna make a pair of wide leg trousers because I live in wide leg trousers. So whether or not I choose the Tyra trousers, which are just the pull-ups, easy to wear, easy to make, or I do something like the aisle jeans with a zipper front. I haven't decided yet, but I've got enough, and I've probably got enough to make maybe a bestie bag or something else with, because I just got a little bit more than I need, and that is my fibre mode denim. But the thing I'm really excited about is the fabric I am going to make a Christmas dress with. I love this. Look at this sequin creation. I know what I'm going to make with it. I am going to make the Collins dress. And I decided that because when I put this near my skin, I have used sequin fabric before, and the sequins are like, as soon as they touch your skin, they're irritating. This is not at all irritating. I could lie that next to my skin, move it around. It's not irritating. The back is just absolutely fine. But the Collins dress is lined. So what I am going to do is use a plain stretch fabric lining. And then I'm going to use this sparkly gorgeousness to make myself a Collins Christmas celebration dress. Just beautiful. It's velvety on the front, with the sequins sewn into them. You can see the sequin, you can see the stitch lines. I think that'll be absolutely fine with a nice lining on it. And I'm really excited to see what the Collins looks like in such a different fabric to what I've used previously. So that will become a gorgeous item in the not too distant future. And I am literally going to see you next time. It may be tomorrow, it may be the day after, but I am just so excited that we are now into Vlogmas. See you next time. Bye.